Hey crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday and we have some snow on the ground here in South Carolina, but that's not going to stop me from heading to Dollar Tree to find some goodies. So let's jump right in. Now when I walked into the store, they had this basket full of these potted succulents. You guys, they reduced these down to 41 cents a piece. So check your stores to see if they have done the same thing. Now, also in garden section, look what I spotted. They have new fence style sections at the Dollar Tree, and this is more of a white lattice. You guys, I was so shocked to see this new design there. Great for your gardens and also for DIYs if you would like. They also have this. This is new. This is a sprinkler, you guys. So you can actually run your hose to this and run it to the flower style. They also have it here in a frog or toad style. And then hiding in the back at the bottom, they have one that is a ladybug style. These are so super cute, and they're all just $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Now they have the S hooks that have returned. These come back every year, but I love these. They have them in large, and then they have a 2-pack of the smaller versions. Now you can use these around your home, but I have crafted with these. I made this 3-tiered tray with an S hook, and I love it. Now you can also use this smaller S hook for a 2-tiered tray. Now I'm going to link the instructions for all the tutorials I mentioned in the description box below to make these. Now check this out, new pots. I love these. They have that textured on the outside in black and an off-white. Now if you wanted a wavy design with that texture, they also have that in kind of like a black and gray, and then like almost like a burgundy kind of terracotta look with the little texture. Very nice. These are also new at my Dollar Tree. So this has a rib design and it has the built-in drain plate at the bottom. They do come in white and they come in black. They have some garden decor they just put out at my store. The garden is my happy place. These are metal signs and they're just $1.25 a piece. Another one is this welcome with a huge sunflower and a bumblebee. Another great bumblebee item for those who love that. And then they have this one that says welcome to our pad with the 2 frogs on it. Super cute. Now over in home decor, I found some new items and this was one of them. They now have the LED candles with the dripping effect on the outside. I've never seen these before at my Dollar Tree. Now these do come with the button batteries on the inside and they flicker like real candles when you turn them on. Now they also have them in a 2-pack in a votive style candle style. I haven't seen these either. Brand new to me. I definitely picked up all of these candles. You can get them in like an off-white ivory, or you can get them in the stark white color. It's all up to you. $1.25 for either one of them. Also in home decor, I found these blessed signs. You guys, the quality on this is so great. And I love that it has that neutral gray color. You can DIY with this and make it something different or keep it as is. It's still really gorgeous. They also have these little glass little bottles. I love the shape of these. So they do have a little metal charm on each of them in a little tree shape. You could get them in clear, green, and a blue color tied with a little burlap tie. New dish sets have arrived at Dollar Tree. I'm always excited to see what they come out with. And this time they have kind of like a textured stoneware type of design in this gray, and I'm loving it. So they do have the mugs there. Here are the bowls. You could get a really good look at that texture with the reflection of the light. I love that. Really pretty. And it actually looks like it's more than just $1.25, which I can definitely appreciate. Now here is the salad plate in the collection that also has that same kind of finish on it. And then at the bottom, they do have the big dinner plates. Now, when I first saw these, I kind of joked to myself, well, this looks like when TV used to go off in the 80s and they had this staticky look. We used to call them ant races on TV, but that's what it kind of reminded me of when I saw it. And I just had to laugh to myself when I saw it, but these are great quality. Now, if gray is not your vibe, check out these. They have them in blue as well. So this is that same textured design with with that blue speckling all over and that texture in the mug. Here are the bowls. I love these. Now, I love the blue because, you know, spring is coming. You got patriotic holidays coming. So that blue will blend right into that. Now, here is that little salad plate. You can also use that. And you can also stack these and mix and match to make plate stands and other home decor with the plates. Now here's that large dinner plate. I'm always impressed with the size and quality of these. So be sure to check them out at your stores. They're usually featured as soon as you walk in. Now check these out. They have coordinating dish towels to go with those plates with the blue and the gray. And these are 100% cotton and super thick. I was so impressed. I've never seen one as thick as that before at the Dollar Tree. They also have the 2-pack pot holders to go along with it, and of course they have the oven mitts to go along with it as well, with that solid blue back, and these are also a generous size. Now if you're making a dish setting on your kitchen table, you don't want to miss out on the placemats. They did have the placemats to coordinate with all of these, and you could use these as is or open them up and make little pillows out of them. Now check these out. These are also new towels that I first saw. These are flour sack towels, also 100% cotton. They have different sayings like fresh brewed, age gets better with wine. And then they have a multicolored leafy design on here. These are the only 3 that I did spot at my Dollar Tree, but I do love that these are 100% cotton and you can use it in the kitchen. These were really cute. So these are taco holders by the name brand Joey. Oh my goodness, I was so shocked to find these. I thought I wouldn't find them, but they are shaped in little cactuses and hold your tacos. In the glassware, I saw these new tumbler sized cups. I was really impressed with these. First of all, the quality was on point. It's sleek on the outside, but textured on the inside. So that was different to see. Also in the plasticware, look, they have plastic clear cups with the sip lids. Now these are kind of reminiscent of when you get the cold brew at the coffee shops. They have the clear cup and the clear lid. They come in a 6-pack, great to grab on the go on your way out. And look what's back, you guys, those ombre large drink bottles. I'm so surprised to see these back because they did sell out last year, but definitely grab one now if you missed out on that. Speaking of bottles, you know that mint, tan, and gray collection that they have at the Dollar Tree? They also have drink bottles in that colorway as well. They also have the 2-piece cups with the lids. Now these are the yogurt cups. It also does come with a little spoon. Great for on-the-go snacks. And these 2 compartment containers are always a favorite, and they're coming out in that tan, gray, and mint as well. Great for packing snacks on the go, especially if you have littles or you are eating on the go. These little soup containers are really nice. They're coming out in those same colors, and you can microwave them, and they have a vented lid. I showed a lot of storage baskets last week, but I did not see these with the handles, which is really convenient. Plus, they have a large capacity for linen closets under their sink or whatever you may need them for. And if you're looking for the shoe boxes, they had you covered with coordinating colors along with the lids that go with these. Great for storing away things that you want out of sight. Now, I do hope you guys are enjoying these finds so far, but I wanted to pop in and let you know that you can follow me on all of these platforms as SheSewCraft DEE. Now, let's jump in and see more goodies I found at the Dollar Tree. We're going to head over to the health and beauty, and look, I finally spotted the ProLuxe Cosmetics collection. So here are 3 different versions of the setting powders, and I see that they come in multiple shades. So these are really popular right now at the stores. I found them at multiple stores in my state. They also have these. These are the ProLuxe Collection Matte Foundations. They come in multiple shades in this as well. So to get your preferred shade, which is probably a popular one you want to try to visit as often as possible so you can get the pick of the pack. Here's another item that I thought was interesting. This is by Clean Color, and it is a hydrating stick. I haven't tried this item yet. I'm interested to see how that works. This little multi-piece collection from the Divine Cosmetic collection is so neat. So you're getting an eyeshadow, you're getting a mascara, an eyeliner pen, and a gel liner in this set. This Profusion Glitter and Glam palette was so neat. It caught my eye because the packaging is just so pretty with the black and all of the colors on the outside. Now I'm struggling just a little bit to open it, but once I do, you see all of those matte lipsticks that are included in this collection. Now these sticks here by Clean Color, these are nice too. So this is the Master Strokes Lip Color Collection. And as you can see, they have a ton of different colors that you can choose from in this set. Now, right next to it, they have the Clean Color Kiss for Keeps collection. This is also in multiple colors. Nice little size you could just toss in your bag and go. Now, if you're a fan of the LA Colors, they have the Froyo Lips collection. Now, you could get like a cotton candy, orange, chocolate, watermelon, mint, and coconut, all kinds of different flavors. And I have hit the Bob Ross motherload here. I love Bob Ross, being an artist myself. I love these socks. So they have the 2-pack of ankle socks here. I love that Bob Ross's hair and his beard are actually textured on the socks, representing, thank you, Dollar Tree. So these are really, really cute for a 2-pack for $125. Now, if you wanted the taller socks, I found one pair of those that says, I love Bob Ross. These are nice tall socks with that denim color, really neat. All of these went in my cart, definitely. In the St. Patrick's area, I found these little cauldron pots. Now, I do love these pots, and I like these better than the Halloween ones because the Halloween ones have flames, and these have handles, which makes them a little bit easier to work with. Now, I've DIYed with this, and I've used these pots as feet on a little Dollar Tree tray. Such a cute idea to do with these pots. Now, another thing, I've stacked them and used Dollar Tree square bowls to make a reversible plant and candle stand. That was really easy to make. And then I also made a two-tone design with texture on those little pots. Again, all of the DIYs for this and tutorials are linked in the description box below. Now, I had to cruise by the seasoning section, and I did find something different. I'm excited about this find. This large container of taco seasoning. I never find the taco seasoning at the Dollar Tree. So look at it in comparison to the regular bottles. It's huge. So this was definitely one that I did pick up. You guys, be on the lookout for this. I only found it at one store. Now, in the toy section, they have new puzzles, and these are wood puzzles, you guys. Look at all the pieces. So this one's shaped like a clock. All of those pieces are different shapes, and they pop right out. If you have someone who's learning shapes, colors, trying to tell time, or if you even want to use these as kind of a base for a DIY, this would be great because it's a wood item. Now, for that space and planet enthusiast, look, they have the planet puzzles as well. I think this one is really nice too. These are only just $1.25, you guys. It's such a great deal. Also in the toy section, I found a lot of little dough kits, and this one is Sesame Street. And then next to it, this one caught my eye, this dough kit here, because it's a hamburger maker set. So it comes with the actual hamburger maker, and it's pretty heavy because it has plenty of dough on the inside. Now, for the waffle lovers, they have the waffle maker set as well. This one is really cute. So check those out at Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to head over to the plus section. There's some things I wanted to feature, and that is this metal spinner. These are so nice. So these are solid metal. You stick them in the garden and they spin. And as you can see, they do come in a variety of different shapes and colors. But these are not just for the garden, you guys. You can take these apart, paint them, make them a mountable decor piece, and make it customized to your space. Now you could choose some neutrals like this kind of bronzy color, or you could go really vibrant with rainbow colors. Now these do have the stake and all of everything included to mount it in your yard. And some of them are returning from last year, but a lot of these are brand new. So if you're looking for just that extra pop of color in your yard or garden, check these $5 spinners out. They are a great accent to your garden to add a pop of color. This was brand new at my Dollar Tree. This is a solar LED tabletop light. So if you have a backyard table or outdoor table of some sort, this is great to sit on top of it for solar lighting. I thought this was so different and unique, and it's only $3. If you're looking for a sprinkler, they have an 8-pattern sprinkler at the Dollar Tree for just $3. Compared to the home stores, this is definitely a bargain, you guys. So check that out if you're looking for that. Now, right next to it, they have a strawberry basket. I was really curious about what this is. So it's a large plastic basket with a handle, but you can grow strawberries in it. Now, on the inside, what it has is 3 large pucks with the seeds in it, and also some little packets to go along with it. Check those out. They're just $5 for the kit. And if you're looking for some inexpensive grass seed, they have this Quick Lawn grass seed in a 2-pound package for $5. Great for just filling in spots, say if the dog had worn out or anything like that. Now, there's a few Easter items that I spotted that I hadn't seen before, and one are the Easter trees with the eggs. Now, the foam in this one was a little loose. A little hot glue can fix that, but you could see it has little glittery leaves and glittery Easter eggs on that tree. Now, if you're not into the glitter, this one is for you. I love this one. So look at the fern leaves on this. I love this. This looks more high end, and plus it has the wood box. These trees are only $5. Now, hiding in the back, they had one that was more boxwood. I love this one as well. Definitely looks a little bit more high end, and it has that little burlap sack around the bottom of it. Super cute deal. These are only $5 for these little trees. And look at these. I finally found the nesting containers of Peeps. Now, in this container, it has 4 of these Peep egg containers in yellow, purple, blue, and pink, you guys. So these are great if you have multiple children, you want to hand these out. Such a great deal for 4 large containers for $5. And then look at these little bubble wands. I think that these are cute. So these are in the shape of Peeps. They're battery operated and they blow bubbles. You can see the bubble container is included at the bottom, and it's also refillable. Now, this is not only for Easter. You could use this throughout the summer and all year long for bubble entertainment. Definitely check these out. I only saw these at one store, so be on the lookout. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. And I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. So if you want to see the items I have created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you could check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.